Oh guys, the moon is now heading close to Earth, bruh. The moon is now getting closer to Earth now. The moon collision is now close. Lapit na. Aray! Aray! Kwa. Kwa. Boo! You see that thing? Kawawa naman. Nah, bro. I survived the impact. Look. I stay away from the moon, bro. Because moon is dangerous.
Bro.
Okay, boom. Kinakain. After Earth, kinakain yung moon niya. Sarap. Nice. Tastes good. Tastes good. Boom. And the music is still on again. And the music is still on. Again. And again. Oh, yeah, see? Oh, and the sad song came too. Good looking at. Huh? The main bunkers will open up soon. This is a human because of lack of oxygen and high radiation. There's two. The main bunkers now open. Please use a sword and helmet because sa paranormal entities will move in the earth. Now we're okay. Okay? Hey. Hey. The sound, bro, the sound. Put the music that I hear, and you cannot hear the sound here because I wear earbuds. Oh. Just kidding. I had to cut this video because, you know. Oh, shut him up. Look. Whoa, what is this? So the Earth has warm. The Earth has reached warm temperatures again. Fucking. Near impact. This is it whole.
Ayoko na nang
Yung
yakapin.
people on Earth's probability wiped out. And medyo OC sabi line up. Echo. Tingnan mo na. Can rebuild.
Kakainin niya na. Yan na.
Oh, dapat he's going to eat the Earth kasi 3 of them creating meron ng magnetic field. So,
Electromagnetic field.
kunti yung aura din na niya. Konti na niya yun na.
Tingnan mo ko din yung miss. Check mo muna.
Oh, yan. Kinakain niya.
Sandali lang maluto yan eh.
Oh my God, lalapit na ako. I'm not. Bro, I'm closer to the
Miss, nakita mo yung ginawa ko.
Jupiter, Saturn has awakened. They locking the Earth in equation of gravitational 3 ways. We're cooked, buddy. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you next time. Cause I want it, Wait, this highway is being demolished by. Bro, you demolished, bro. Oh no, the song. The legend. I think I want this song, bruh. Bro, the rock music just banged me over my head. Six, seven. Due to the gravity, the Earth is not frozen. Ooh. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. We all gonna die. No, bro, what are you doing? Saturn has released its moon. I appear to destroy Venus.
You gonna eat this one?
No.
Anong tigyan mo lang?
Tikman mo.
No.
Yeah. Ipatay sa ilalim, be. Thank you. Patay mo na sa ilalim. Sando ka na.
Mamaya na po.
Bakit?
She's going to eat the
Kape
food.
ako eh.
ka rin. Para ka sa YouTube.
Mamaya na. Grabe, shortcut yung ano, yung balat ah. Matanong ba?
Oh,
Ang tabang ng
Callisto is now bibid. Callisto!
walang panlasa talaga.
No Callisto, bro. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you next time. Peace.